Let's go ahead and add our eyes to our chick. I like the eyes to be 3 rows down and about 4 stitches apart. Make sure you leave enough room for the beak. Once you get the eyes exactly where you want them, grab the clear backing and put it on through the opening at the top. Next, we're going to sew on the beak. Start by cutting about 12 inches of orange yarn. Thread your needle and insert the needle through the front of your chick and out the top. Take out your needle, leaving a short tail coming out the top. Thread the needle again with the other end of yarn and insert it one space over from where you started, making the needle come out where you started. If a little bit of fluff comes out, it's okay. Just push it back in with your needle. Now, put your needle back through the second hole so you have 2 pieces of yarn as the beak. Push your needle out the top of the chick so you have both tails there. You can move the pieces of yarn, or you can redo this if you don't like the way your beak looks. Once you like it, tie your ends together in a knot and hide them in your chick.